on one manager in the National League East, so much so that that manager wears Leland's number. Prado got it out there, crossed the diamond, got it out there. That's a big double play for Nicolino. Marte goes 5-3, and Prado showing that defense around the bag.
This is not easy because Prado has to decide. Footwork, okay, pick it, but I have to pick it off to the side. Now I have to plant. You know, when we see Martin Prado with a routine play, he just gets it over there in time. But when he has to, like right here, he got a little extra on it and he got it right there to Justin Bour.